Hello, my people. I am right now in Anambra State. This road you are seeing, and this, if you are coming from this way, you are coming from Enugu to Onitsha, and this is Oka. This is Amansie in Oka, Anambra State. Amansie in Oka, Anambra State. People has been on this road now for the past 7 days. Just watch. You see what people are suffering to enter here. This is from Enugu to Oka to Onitsha. Enugu to Onitsha. Just watch. Just watch. These particular stores here were brought by Stanel to provide some kind of relief for the commuters. But FEMA came and warned him not to. So you can see how wicked people are. Somebody with his own money wanted to help. FEMA, federal government, warned him not to put on it. You see it. He abandoned it. Stanel was the one who brought this here. He abandoned it. This is Amansie Oka. Willy, Njenje, Hopus of them, they said they have done this road. Today is 11th day of September 11, 2021. I am right here now at Anambra State in Oka, Amansie. See wickedness.
La 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 la.